YouTube, what is up? It is the anonymous Sneakerhead, the most mysterious sneaker YouTuber in the game. Please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, share the video, and do not forget to follow my Instagram at anonymous Sneakerhead. Now, we are at 410 subscribers right now. We are 90 away from 500. Let's hit 500 by May 15th so we can do this giveaway. So make sure y'all hit that red button down below. Hit that notification bell so you know when I'm posting more videos, and let's get to 500 before May 15th. Tell your friends. Follow my Instagram for more updates. Now, let's get into today's video. So, in the last episode of Sneaker Talk, I told you guys that I'm going to be doing something called Buy What You Like moving forward. And just real quick recap, something like Buy What You Like would be, obviously, every sneaker that I buy that I keep from my rotation is something that I like. But, for example, the right here, this wouldn't be Buy What You Like because this is a shoe that has a lot of hype. The Maison Chateau Rouge has a bunch of hype. Everybody wanted this when it first came out, right? This isn't something that would be Buy What You Like. But let's say something like buying one of these right here. This would be a Buy What You Like. Reebok Kamikaze 2 is a shoe that I like, that not a bunch of people are checking for. You know what I mean? An older shoe, maybe a shoe that came out a while ago, or a shoe that could have even just came out. Like if the Jordan 4 roster came out today and I got it, that would have been a Buy What You Like because it doesn't have too much hype. It's still sitting on the apps and will probably be sitting in stores whenever they do open back up. So today, my package came in, as you can see, Just Rob Me tape all over it. Real quick, my guess, I think what they're doing with the Just Rob Me tape, because they got rid of the boxes, the Just Rob Me boxes, which is a step, but you still got the tape. My guess is that they just bought a bunch of this tape, but I mean at the same time they do sell hundreds of thousands, if not millions, of shoes. So I don't know. I'm thinking maybe they're waiting until they run out of this tape to go to regular color tape, because it is something they have to pay for and it's expensive. Anyways, let's get into this unboxing right here. So you guys read the title, you saw the thumbnail, you know what it is. My inaugural episode of Buy What You Like. So I'm going to take out my knife right here. I always like to show this off. Shout out to my girl. She got me this little box right here. I keep my knife in there. So let's do it. Alright, we got the box open, and right away, something that I'm happy to see. So right away, something that I'm happy to see is the receipt, because for whatever reason, when I ordered off of Sneakers app recently, I haven't been getting receipts. This technically wasn't off of Sneakers app though. This was from the Nike website, and they had a bunch of stuff on sale. So see the box right here. Yep. Let's open it up. Nothing special about the box. You get a bunch of these boxes. I'm just gonna break this one down, put it in the attic with the rest of my boxes. Get a bunch of these with Nike Air Max, Nike blah 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 blah, whatever. But this is not Air Max. I'm gonna read it to y'all right now. So in this box we have a Nike Cortez basic leather, and the colorway is white, varsity red. Oh, there's no blue in it. Well, I thought blue would be listed in the colorway, but I guess not. It just says white and varsity red. So let's open the box right here. Like any other, let me open it this way. Like any other Nike purchase, pull your paper back, and bam, you got your left shoe, as always. Now you guys can see what it is right here. The Nike Cortez Classic Basic Leather. Like I said, this is a Buy What You Like. It's a shoe that not a bunch of people are checking for. Why did I get it? Because recently everyone knows about the big sale that's been going on at Nike.com, and these retail for $75, and they were already on sale for $60 something, and then I had my student discount, whatever, everything, all the discounts added up. This is a $75 sneaker, and I was able to get it for $44 and change plus tax. Came out to $47, so I couldn't pass it up. I had a pair of these a couple years ago that I just beat to death, and I'm so happy to have another pair. One of the single most classic sneakers in Nike history, their first sneaker. If you guys read, I'll put a picture of it right here. I might do a review of the book later. One of the best books I ever read was Shoe Dog by Phil Knight, and this shoe played a huge role in it. I was actually looking to get the Shoe Dog pack version of this shoe with a different stitched swoosh on here, the original swoosh. I'll attach a picture of that too. But yeah, this is the Nike Cortez Classic basic leather. So there was two versions of these. I guess one was a little bit more premium materials, but this one is just like the one that I had before. The more premium one, it was like $10 more, I think, which I kind of wanted to get first just to see what the difference was. But they were sold out in my size, which is a size 12. But really happy to have these in hand. Just quick review. I'm not going to go too in depth with it because I'm sure almost everybody owned at least one pair of Cortezes in their life. But this is the original colorway. You got the entire white leather upper, same on the toe box all the way around. You got your Cortez 1972 tag right there. I don't know if you guys can see that. One of my next investments for the channel is going to get some type of turntable so I could do some nice footage on there. You got your Nike on the back with the swoosh, big loud bright red swoosh on the side, both sides, and then blue detailing on the midsole. Really comfortable shoe. I'm gonna give you guys an on foot real quick so you guys can see what it looks like when I have it on. I'm in the house in quarantine. I'm not gonna put on anything special for y'all. I'm literally gonna just put on some shorts and some socks and put these on so you can see them just on feet, how they look filled out with a foot in them. The on foot, guys, as you can see, I like to lace them a different way. Not a different way, but I'll do a lacing tutorial. I still have them laced up right here because I'm gonna be honest with y'all, I filmed this straight through and then did the on foot after and cut it in. Why? Because it saves time. But just to give you an example of how I usually lace my Cortezes, so you guys can see. I don't know how well you can see it detailed right there, but I like coming with the laces from the top under instead of from the bottom up like the DS lacing style. This is the what was it called, the Stranger Things one, which is actually, I knew it was light, but it's lighter than the OG, which is it's noticeably lighter, probably because it's not leather. Obviously I did the little customization situation right there. But yeah, guys, that is it for this video. That is it for this episode of Buy What You Like. So when I buy a sneaker that doesn't have a bunch of hype, really excited to get these, the Forrest Gump OGs, you know what I'm saying, the Buy What You Like Nike Cortez. I always want to say Nike Air Cortez, but it's not an air because there's no air in the midsole. But the Nike Cortez in the classic colorway, aka the Forrest Gumps. Really happy to have another pair of these in my collection. And down the road, I'll definitely most likely end up getting another pair because it's going to be a shoe that I wear a bunch, especially for the summer. That is it for this video, man. Please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Share the video. Follow my Instagram at Anonymous Sneakerhead. Hit that subscribe button. We are 90 subscribers away from our goal by May 15th. We are almost there. I want to do this giveaway for y'all. I got some big things planned for this giveaway, but it'll only happen if we hit that goal by the goal date, which is May 15th. So make sure you hit that subscribe button. Make sure you tell your friends. If you want a chance at winning some great, I'm not even going to tell you what it is. If you want a chance of winning something great, subscribe. Make sure you follow my Instagram. That is it for this one. And as always, it's all about the sneakers.